Begin by cleansing eyelashes with Elleebana Remove. For ease of application, protect bottom lashes with the under eye gel patches. Brush on the Lash Lift adhesive onto the back of the silicone rod. Place the silicone rod on the eyelid just above the lash line. Apply adhesive on top of the silicone rod, then lift and secure lashes. Make sure the lashes are evenly arranged on the silicone rod. If necessary, separate them with the sharp end of the Lash Lift tool. Prepare and apply the Lash Lift solution evenly, starting at the base of the lashes and avoiding the tips. Select the appropriate processing time depending on the lash thickness and texture. Using a cotton bud and water, remove the lash perm solution from the lashes. Now prepare and apply lash neutralizer. Leave it on for 5 minutes. Using cotton bud and water, remove the neutralizer from the lashes. Using damp lint-free pad, gently ease off the lashes from the rod and the rod from the skin. Allow eyelashes to air dry for 5 minutes or speed up the process with a fan. Enjoy the results, lasting 6 to 8 weeks.